Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from PayPal to your checking account in 2025. Whether you're a PayPal pro or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will help you move your funds smoothly and securely. In today's fast-paced world, getting your money where you need it quickly is essential, and with PayPal's updated features for 2025, it's easier than ever. First things first, make sure you have a verified PayPal account and that your checking account is already linked. If not, head to your PayPal settings and add your bank details. It's straightforward and usually takes just a few minutes. Once that's set up, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which I highly recommend for security, you'll get a code on your phone. Go ahead and enter that. Step 2. Once you're in, navigate to your PayPal wallet or balance section. You'll see your available funds right there. Look for the Transfer Money or Withdraw option. It's usually prominent on the homepage or under the menu. Step 3. Select your linked checking account from the list. If you have multiple accounts, double-check you're choosing the right one to avoid any mix-ups. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Keep in mind that PayPal might have fees depending on your location and the amount, so check that before confirming. Also, transfers can take 1 to 3 business days, so plan accordingly. Step 5. Review the details, read any terms, and hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email from PayPal, and you can track the status in your account. And that's it, you've successfully transferred money from PayPal to your checking account. Remember, always keep an eye on your accounts for any unauthorized transactions and use strong passwords. If you run into any issues, PayPal's support is top-notch. Just check their help center. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money management tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.